Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how you can redeem your code on Marvel Contest of Champions. Now first you want to head on to this website. It's called playcontestofchampions.com. It's gonna be there on your web browser, and then once you're in this website, to claim your rewards, you must go to store. Once you're in the store, you are required to log in with your Kabam account. So log in with your Kabam account with the account you use on your phone. And as you can see, I am logged in here. Okay? And then once you're in the store, you want to just scroll down. Scroll down, you can claim all these rewards, the sales. So yeah. So you just want to scroll down, and here you'll see promo codes. So in here you can now redeem your codes and then have fun with your rewards. So yeah, that is how you redeem codes on Marvel Contest of Champions.